Training in Chi Sao begins with a single hand drill called Dan Chi Sao. Roll A begins with a Tan Sao, moves to a palm strike, and finishes with a Bong Sao before returning to Tan Sao. Continue cycling through these 3 moves. The energy on each technique should constantly be flowing forward into the opponent. Roll B begins with a Fuk Sao, moves to a Jum Sao, and finishes with a vertical punch before returning to Fuk Sao. From the side, we can see how each technique flows forward into the opponent. One partner plays role A while the other plays role B. Training in Chi Sao develops arm sensitivity and an understanding of how to best control the center line. If partner A applies too much outward pressure on the Tan Sao, partner B can circle around with a Huin Sao and assume the inside position with a Tan Sao. The partners have now switched roles. Maintain cohesion with your partner's wrist during the Huin Sao. This switch is known as the middle gate. The low gate opens when partner A applies too much pressure to the Jum Sao. This allows partner B to circle around and assume the dominant Jum Sao position. Now that Black has assumed role A, he counters with a vertical punch, and again the roles are reversed. The high gate opens when partner A presses upward instead of inward with the Bang Sao. This gives partner B the opportunity to Huin Sao and assume the inside Bong Sao position. Practicing the 3 gates teaches you how to take and control the center line. Once you've practiced each gate in isolation, put all 3 together into a consecutive drill. You should always be seeking an open line of combat between your hand and your opponent's body. The importance of staying relaxed cannot be overstated, as it is essential to developing good arm sensitivity. Once you've mastered this drill, any time an opponent applies too much outward pressure to one of their blocks, you'll know how to transition and reclaim the inside line.